Hi everybody, look at this video. I want to actually record a different video as previous days, and I want to record actually my whole day as a video and share with you for making better sense about my strategy. So thank you for watching me, and let's start the day. Today is Tuesday and actual market is not open yet, so actually stay 1 hour and a half to market opened, actually 2 hours maybe to market opened. First market London opened, and so before market opened I want to look at all charts and let's see what happened maybe today. So in Euro USD, for I tell you for anybody, don't look at my previous video. Let's look at highest scale and going back to lowest. So you can see here my colors and fix of flag limits scales. Actually this from first scale to 10th scale, you can see here, and I don't remember that after many times. So okay, we have this high in your USD, and we know this low is engulf, and this gonna be to go to have make some FO2 going down. So the first place for making FO, the nearest place for making FO is inside of that, but because this gonna be to swap of some things and actually here, but I consider this level, this high is don't back to the true flag limit, and this must be touched for the first time. So this is not my nearest actually place for making FO, and this one is the nearest target for this engulf, and then going to back, but this origin is here, is stay untouched, and we have to notice about that too. And as an alternative scenario, price wants to go to back to higher levels, and maybe here you can see here this engulf is this swap of this level makes that how is worked in highest scale, but they don't back to the lowest scales here, and maybe price is back, wants to go to back to there. So for now, the actually the best scenario for us, for me for now, is consider this level as interested area for target of this engulf. So okay, let's go to daily time frame. In daily time frame, you can see here this engulf actually confirmed as engulf because that origin is cleaned, and maybe this one is the going to true level because haunting is happened here. You can see this lows price going to lower than of all these lows, and then back to up. So origin of this level, this fake level is cleaned here, then back to inner of that. This gonna be to last FO in that scale, we can see here. So going to the 4 hour, in 4 hour chart you can see talk about this level, the last engulf FO here. So inside of that we can see this one makes that low, it's gonna be to right of that, swap of that is created this level, and this one is not going back to true level, and it's not going to be confirmed as last FO. So for now this is gonna be to confirmed as last FO because something is happened. It's gonna be to go to true level, and then the prices goes up. So after price going up from this level, actually confirmed as last FO, I think here it's gonna be to here back to there. Where is that? Where is here? Here is the mouth of this flag limit here, and this flag limit is swap of something important here, makes that low. Itself is back to the true level here. Let's go to 1 hour chart and look at with more details. So okay, in here you can see prices reach to that level, and this is the mouse of this flag limit. This mouse is don't back to true level, and in here this FL reached to that level here. Price is going up to here as CP. This is the last line actually orders executed here, and we have seen this gap here. So in this level we can see obviously this one is the last long orders executed, and press back to here and jump up after that. So inside of this level we can see this one is actually, what is that? Oh, this one is the here. Okay, so in this level this low is made by some things here, and then price goes up, and after going out there never back to here. So I'm not sure about that thing either out here. Maybe price wants to back to this level, but the wall of that is my interested area for not from here actually. It started from this level here, not this one too. It started from these levels here, and actually it stops at here. So if anyone wants to place orders in higher scales, maybe can put long orders from here to a stop loss. Actually I going put my stop loss to flag limits that my entry flag limit reacting to that, and that's so I want to I tell you this is one interested area, this one inside that. The wall of that is going to be there, and a stop loss must be to go to lower as CP as actually I can't put my stop loss here if I want to go into here with seeing no reactions here, and the stop loss must be go to lower than. So this is a huge area and not preferred to going to trade with that. So in here I have interested area. I have this one as an interested area for making long again. So for now, after finding this one, we have to say we are in downtrend, and when that origin is cleaned, we have to analyze this level and going short with price to reach the first interested area. We found that. Okay, so let's see here and find some things. Okay, let's see here. I delete my alert first for. Okay, so in here this high, this is the last high prices reached to that. The origin of this is cleaned, and this big origin is actually from here to this to here. If I can draw it, okay. This one is created after that origin is cleaned, so it's gonna be to 9 CC supply as is this one, and inside of that we have this origin. I draw that, and this high is made by this one, this level. Inside of that, going out from there back to here, and then makes that high. Nothing there inside of that in this time frame, and we have find these two prices reach to that level. So this is origin, and price don't back to there. If price is going back to there, I thinking about that, but for now we have this high. This high is made by this level. Actually, you can see here, this one is swap of something there, this one is swap of this one. Actually, swap of something makes that high, swap of that is created here, and swap of that is created here. So most important orders executed here, and swap of that is created this one. So after price is going out from there back to here, goes up, this mouse is worked, so you can see here anything is cleared and worked. Let's see in lower time frames and with more details. So you can see here, swap of this one is created this high. I put some lines off top of that, and this back to the, when this one is go back to here, you can see this one is going to, you can see flag limits right over together, and after reach to here, goes out from there, after going down from this low as last flag limit, back to reach to some things here, and you can see flag limits right over together as inner of each other, not origin actually. So after price going down from here, this low is broken back to here, this good area. Let's correct this level. Actually this one, okay, you can see anything is cleared after price is going out from this low in here back to there, and this is the last place short orders executed. So this is my first interested area for going short. Actually, after price is going down from here, I waiting for price back to this one for trade, but don't back yet. So after price is going down from there, this high is back to nowhere and only reached to the ignored level. So let's sure about that. I put some lines on top of that if it's possible. Sorry, I don't know. Okay, I can do it. And let's go back and see what levels, what ignored levels worked here. So this one is back to here. You can see the last place, actually the last place long orders executed is here obviously, and never touch that price, because if actually one touches happen, this is not anymore ignored level, so yes, don't touch. And after price is going out from there back to here and then goes down. So this high is reacting to the ignored level and then makes low, so I have to accept as FO for this time, and I accept from price. Later when reach to that level, if price reach to true level in the low, we have see some reactions from there, maybe engulf and then reactions. But if prices don't reach to true level for making FO for this one, actually let's tell you and show the flag limit. I tell you before that, if price reach to here after, before actually going back to there, you can see if price from here going down reach to true level and then reach to that level, making some this level some reactions and then goes down. But if price don't reach to actually here, and maybe some things here or these levels back to here, then goes down, reach to true level and then goes up. So we have some scenarios, but for now we have two read price action in lowest scales and find some levels. So we have price is very near to the origin of that fake level, and we now fake levels, MPLF fake levels can be worked and make another high again, you know that maybe, or maybe not, price wants to go down and then goes up. So we have to read price action and make sure about that. Okay, in this chart we are in downtrend obviously, but we are very near of the lowest spaces of that fake level, and this is a dangerous area for going short. Okay, so after price is going out down from here, this level is this demand zone here. What is that? This is a demand zone, makes that high in, you can see this level worked, makes that high in that scale, and this one is the greatest flag limit, so this one is inside that. So engulf of this one must back to engulf, actually swap of this one, swap of this level makes that one. Let's draw that. Okay, and when price going out from there, make a mouth FL here, but price is going out from there as CP, and orders are moved to down, and this gonna be confirmed as FO. You can see here there's nothing stay untouched here, anything is touched and price goes down. So this this kind of movement you see here are actually sign as to price can jump up and Actually, nothing stays for as obstacles to it. Price is when going up. So I have to waiting see what happened here. Actually, I have to see what happened here. Price with this low, if this broken, I'm pretty sure about that. Price wants to go my interested area and then goes up and can be going short with price to reach that. But if this is not engulfed and worked, we can going to line to reach two true levels for making LFO this in this scale, and then goes back. So I'm back to the 15 minutes. We find this one. This is the last place orders executed, and hold price many times. So after this high is created, I'm go to 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, this one is reached to the highest of that, and we can see. I don't want to derive it in my chart, just show you this one. We have considered this one as the last FO created here. This is inside of that, reach to good level here, and this level is reached to here. It's origin of that move, and this on is reached to something here. So this is the good area or not, I don't think, because I think we have something here, but because the movement of back and this high is going up from here, many traders short here, and stop losses must be on top of that, not here, but absolutely many orders executed here and move price to down. So we have to consider that this high is made by this level. This level is we are in 5 minutes time frame, and there is something important is remained here. I think let's go to 1 minute and see that space we're talking about here. Actually, this one is going to there after price is reached to somewhere here, back to that level, goes down after price is going out from there. Actually back to here and then goes down. So this so many important, you can see here. Actually we have to see these ones in 1 minute and look at what we can see here. This many important. This flag limit here, this little flag limit here makes that low, and this level is swap of that. Okay, when price goes up from there in this one, some things maybe stay here, but this high is made by that level, and there's nothing in there. This one is making the swap of that here, and this swap is here in don't back to true level, and the true level DP as decision point may actually decisions made for engulf this one and price goes down is made here, and then goes down. So after price is reached to that level, in here this one is created here from this low to this high, make by this level. The swap of this level is here. This not going back to true level, we have to find a smaller scale as DP, and we can see here prices going down from there. This levels makes that high, swap of that is here, and this one don't back to true level. Actually price is back to, you can see this level from this up to this low. This low is reacting to the origin of that move. After price going up from there, this one is here. You can see the swap of something's here making that low. Absolutely, you can see that, and this is gonna be to 10 of the scale demand. The swap of that is here, and it's worked later. Tells the scale supply. So, and I notice about that maybe prices wants to going out up there because this not going back to true level, but orders is executed and it's done. So maybe price wants to go back to here, maybe wants to back to that origin of that move, but for now this level is worked and prices go down from there. After price is making that high, but this one nothing in there, just this little FL here, not FL actually, just little things here, because I don't see here, maybe something's existed, maybe not. But actually if there is many possible of, you can see some things here existed and makes that high, so I have to derive this level and waiting for price reach to that, and if this level makes reactions and short structures, we can going short. This level is worked, this level is worked, and this level is important, existed here. You can see make this high, this one, and after price is going out from there reach to that, no, after price engulf this origin or FR actually making high. This is the one, let's try that. So this FL is one highest scale of that. This one I'm going to 90 scale demand, so the swap of that is here as 10 scale supply, and this swap is here, is right over it as 90 scale supplies. So in this FL here, this is the next high, the highest. This is going to back to there, reacting to this level. Swap of that is that's origin. The wall of that is important, and after that price reach to this one only, the mouth of this level, and swap of some things here. You can see this one is a good area. Why? Because the position of that is middle of F4. This is the actually not important reason. The important reason is we have this one here, swap of some things here, make that high, make this one with hold, and then goes up. So sorry, okay, so this one is swap of that level, and going back to reach to this swap, little swap here is actually swap of this one. So this is gonna be to confirm for me as true as an interested area for long, for short. You can see here this is gonna be to Tensorski supply, and you can see it's worked and price is going down from there. So in here the price has touched that and continue moving down. And here actually this is the last high existed here, so we must to analyze here, and let's see what can we see here. This high is made by this low. This low is reacting to this gap actually is here, and the swap of anything here is what price is higher than another. I think there's the same highs here, the 109, 088, and 10. So we have the same highs here, and the two highs is going back to this one here, and the wall of that is gonna be confirmed as supply zone and many short orders executed here. So this one is created here, and inside of this one is actually swap of that is created this level. This one is going back to there. After going out from this one, making that level, this going to this one is here. Haunting is happened here, and this level is the last actually the CPF existed here. This one is the last of it, and absolutely we have to consider this one as interested area, but this one is hold price, and here is important for us. So if any riskable traders, I'm not this one, maybe in future I have to make a riskable trader from me, but for now no needed to this actually trade in this level. So Actually today I waiting for price reach to here and see some reactions here. Actually maybe in this level, maybe higher than in here's, and if reached to that, making back to down, I can actually find some short structure here and go short with Travis. But actually this one is important too, and I told you before that this one is very important because this is a level, so this is MPL actually of this fake level. He existed here and the price is here's now. So if these two of them is engulfed, I can go short. Actually here's lowest SK. So this is Euro USD. I pause this video and continue minutes later with Great Britain pound. And if something happened in Euro, I want to trade that. I actually continue recording. So for now, is there any alert here? I delete alert. Okay, I can put one alert here. Yes, because this one is so important for me. If this engulf, I'm waiting for price to reach to that level. So not important for me if this one is engulf, but when price reach to here, I see this one is engulf or not. So Euro USD, its analysis over and waiting for price reach to that level. Going to Great Britain pound after some rest, continue reading price of Great Britain pound. So in Great Britain pound, we can see the uptrend here started from this engulf here. In weekly time frame, you can see obviously this level is engulf that one and actually going up from there. So the next interested area for short is here in actually largest area, but I put some lines here, you can see that, and this what is that? This line I put it actually here. This is the excuse me, this high is here, is the at last place, actually last origin of that move, not higher of that. So there's not MPL actually, and this is origin of that move. So maybe this is good area for FO. Maybe if this is a good area for FO, you know, this line is not engulfed and then price goes down. So in lower scale, actually we can see obviously we are in up downtrend, and we have analyzed two scenarios. One scenario is actually first scenario is not actually divided by importantly, is just actually one and two. First scenario is this gonna be to F1, price wants to go down, so we accept price, anything is here is engulfed and price going down. So if it's that possible and this gonna be to last FO here, we must to be see engulf in price is going down. So we have to find, actually before that we have to find somewhere some demand zones, actually last places, long orders executed, and waiting for engulf that for going to actually big shorts. So in here this one is the last FO. We can see here inside of inner of this level. This is going to be as that. This is going to be inner of that. Swap of some things making that low. So the last FO here I can see this one. After this price goes up, swap of this one, riding of that, don't reach to this level. So this is my interested area for long. Actually this one is must engulfed, and this for actually more sure about that. But first this one must be engulfed for making sure us about this level is that FO4 the highest scale engulf. So after price goes up from there, in here we can see here price is reached to that level here and then goes up and making lower of that. This is a good sign, and swap of that is here. Price don't reach to here and only reach to the something existed here, and actually this one's this level is worked too. Okay, after this one is worked, price goes up and something is here making that low. This one is the last supply zone making that low here. You can see swap of that is here. Price is going up, and as CP you can see worked and then goes up. So this is the demand zones. I draw some demand zones here, and I'm waiting for seeing engulf these ones. So our scenarios telling us these levels is engulfed, and if the actually I'm waiting for this demands an engulf, but maybe they're not engulfment worked and price goes up, so we can go in line with that in lower scale, not in this one. In this scale we can see here we have this interested area, and we can think about that price wants to go to there, but how is going to there? Absolutely not going to down in direct way, so we have to go into lower time frame and see something. So for now I get the chart that I can short, not lying with more confidently. Okay, after this high is created, this high is making by that one, and that's one in highest scale. The two of us is going right together. You can see swap of this one is going to swap off this one. I don't know that, but it happened, and you can see that. So this is last place. Short orders executed as true. Engulf and FO, we can see that, and price never back to it. So in here we can accept price short, but price is going down and leave these price action zones. So maybe price going back to the, if price going back to there, I going short with some odds. But if price don't back to there, and you can see here price is reaching, actually we can see here this one is swap of that origin of this move, and this swap of that origin is right over together, and swing off of this one's too. This one, this is I don't draw all of like leavings here. You can see that there are important ones, and you want to see that in your mind. So this one is important, so like leave it here, and this one too. So old price goes up, so up of the ones is created here, and then price goes down. So I have to look at inside of this for finding some things, but there is nothing there. Price is jumping down in all time frames. If I can see in 1 minute, I'm happy about that, but I can't see. 5 minutes, you can see I have nothing in there, just one origin is existed here as last place short orders executed. I draw this one here, this is last place short orders executed, and moving price to down. So in Great Britain pound, what can we do with that? Okay, this is 15 minutes, and we can see these movements of price here. This is so tricky, and you can now, after this kind of actions, price is jumping somewhere, and some news is released. I think 9:39, 10 minutes later some news is released, and let's see what happens. If price goes up, I think actually I want to make short here after see some reactions, actually not with pending in here, no, because this one is existed here as important interested area, and this one is existed is too and important, price never back to there. So I'm waiting for see what happened price, and if price is going to there make some reactions, actually inside of that, not engulf this level. In here some reactions, maybe I can go I'll go to short, and I want to, because you know this level is making that high, and this is so important. So engulf this is important for me, and making some more odds to this level worked if this one is engulfed before price reach to that. And that's it. I'm not going too long for reach to here, because this is so tricky and not good trade for us. This is Great Britain pound. I'm waiting for price reach to here. Let's look back to euro and see what happened. Euro price price is going down and engulf that low for now. So let's go to gold chart and analyze this one. Okay, this is the gold price, and in gold price we know gold is always in uptrend actually, because all currencies is affected by anything it's happened in the world, and if anything happens in the world, gold price is going to up. So I put forward my dimensions here. First update my chart view actually. Okay, so in gold price we can see after price reached all-time high at 26th of September, price is going back to here and reach to the last fake level actually. MPL of that is worked, they're down back to true level. This is the last places long orders available as flag limit, and you can see here this level is here, and it's on don't back to true level. But in gold price we can see anything is not anything, but after price is going out from here, don't back to true level ever, and goes up. So actually after price going out from here, don't never back to true level. So after price goes out from there, only this mouse is worked, prices don't back to this mouse ever, and this one is ever. So this is a most interesting area for going long in many years later when price going back to there. And after price going out from there, this level worked, don't back to there, this level worked here, up, no back to there, actually back to here, and after this level is worked, going up. Let's see that this is interesting areas too. This swap of something makes that low, and yeah, this one is my stable cleaned untouched here. So this is important interest area in this flag limit too. And when price is going up, reach to that level is worked, and swap of origin of these levels and swap of these levels. So orders is executed and moving price to up. Inside of that, this one is created, this inner of that, inside of this inner, price is going there, and swap of that is this one, go to there, anything is no need to back to there. So for now actually this levels is only stays for engulf, not worked. After price is going out from there, I think yeah, this level engulfed here, and it's going to be there. Inside of that, this one is considered as last long orders executed, and then price goes up. So man, what can we do with that chart? In gold price, we have to analyze lowest scale and going actually with that to trade. So in 1 hour Let's look at 1 hour. This is that the last level along orders executed and never price back to there, but this flag limits here is worked and move price to up, so this one is going to be last places. Actually long orders executed and don't back to there, so this one is existed here too. And for now we can see here price is reached to that one, not engulfed yet, and then back to there one. This origin is stay current here, and this one is worked. Let's see the last movement of price. This is going to be there, so up of that is here, so this is important. And let's find some things in there. Let's see what happened here. In this level, this goes up, this one is here, worked, and then I'm going to 1 minute for see more details. What I'm talking about here. So this is the low in that level. This is the last low created here. It's made by some things here, and swap of some things makes that high here, so it's important area, and swap of that is here absolutely, and this one is back to true level or not. So in here you can see this one is going to be swap of that, but I think I actually see, you can see this low here. This is the last place short long orders executed, and it's gotta be to origin of that move, and price wants to go to back there. So in here I don't think this is gonna be to make FO, and price is the last place. Short orders is, I have to draw this one actually because this is obvious, but inside of that this is not obvious, and I have to consider this one. So I draw this level and put it to forward. Okay, let's see what happened for now. Price is reaching to this level for now and making some reactions, so gold price is making that low and goes back to up. What flag limit makes that low? This one, this little flag limit here, you can see that. Let's show you. Actually, a mistake in this one is engulfed, so this one is by swap of that, but this we can see here low, high, level, higher, high, and continue moving down. We can see here, but absolutely something exists here, and this is going to back to there. So I can't accept of price. This level is a good area, and going back to true level, I have to consider price must back to that, back actually I draw this origin, and this origin is swap of some supply zones here, so it's gonna be 2D zone, and I draw this level 4. Worked again, and then price wants to go up if that happens. So we can line here or not. Let's sure about some things. So we have let's see the left of the chart. We have this one here, and swap of this one is make this level. This level is a great area, and this is the swap zone here, and actually this is the swap of this level created here. Hold price makes it low is the good flag limit here, and if there is some things here too, not important because making some same swaps, but lower of that, is there anything is lower of that or not. I talk about this one, and this level you can see here, this big level here in the inside of that is existed here, and yeah, swap of that is created this one, and the same swap here. So I want to see something is in there or not, because it's important for me is that reaction only on or some orders executed for making that low. Actually we must see here this level is reacting to this one, and this one is going to be reacting to this level from started from here and ended from here. So and this is a swap of something here makes that low. Okay, oh my god, this is gonna be too much. So this gonna be to this level, and the same things. I don't find some things I need to sure about that can go in line here, so I'm waiting for see what happened. We have one engulf here. If another engulf is executed, this one is actually you can see this level is working at MPL of this one, but this one is making some reactions, good reactions to this level. So I waiting for this one is engulfed, and when this one is engulfed, making some swaps after going up and engulf this level, I can go to through level, I can find maybe through demand zones for going long. So in gold chart I put my alert where and waiting for where price go. I'm waiting for long, I'm waiting for these ones engulf, and for short I'm waiting for the demand zones. We can see reactions now in here engulfed. So for now I'm waiting for these levels engulf, and actually I put my alert here because when that one is engulfed, we can going to line with more odds. and this is gold price. So let's see Great Britain pound after that news of pound release. It's 9:30. It's gonna be two. This news is not very important and not very impact of the chart. So let's see in here. This is 9:30. Okay, yeah, price going to up. Clear anything here. You can see actually make same high of that. So this level is engulfed actually, and it's gonna be to confirm as FOF. That's a great FOF. So when price back to here, engulf this one, and in here you can see price reach to that origin of that move and makes that high. So we want to know where is this low is reacting to. What happens? Please. Okay. I thought about this low one. This low is here. So I think I told you this one is going to there, and is there possible this is gonna be to goes up or not? This is going to swap of that level. It's gonna be to not back to middle of this level. So for now, if price is reacting to this level or a little lower of that, inside of that, if going to there, I correct my demand zone and going to there, but for now I think this one is worked. So if price is going to inside of that or touch that, because we have another FL right over that. Yeah, price is reaching to here and don't engulf that, so it can be considered as actually making orders executed and some reactions needed. For sometimes we can draw this level 2. This is the origin of that move here. Alright, then this going to back to there. So what happened and what structures we need to go like? I consider it as FO, so FOF, excuse me, is considered be as FOF because it's gonna be to the top of that level here, and after price reached to the middle of that, it's making some reactions here, and if price wants to go up, and this is good for us, this one is must to be engulfed first, and then this is the highest high here, make by this low here. This is going to be to reacting to this level, and absolutely you can see what talk about me. So this high is the highest high, this low, this is the last demand zone here, makes that low and adds a good FO to the true level here. So swap of this one is most important. Here I draw this level. Okay, when if price wants to go up, reach to this level, making some flag limits here, then engulf that and back to the true untouched level. We need to do that. So I put my alert here. When this one is engulfed, I can go. I can decide to price wants to go upper of these highs at the first target. So this is my alert on gold price, and actually, excuse me, this is the Great Britain pound, not gold price, and back to here. And I delete this level because I have limited alerts and I need them in next charts. So in gold price, I'm waiting for here for going lying actually to reach somewhere. Not gold, not actually Great Britain pound. Let's see euro, what happened with euro. And sometimes the euro is making another low, reach to that level. I talk about that and making some reacting here. So Euro USD is reached to the great level and starting some reacting, and my actual engulf this line is failed my scenario about this level going up. Okay, if price wants to go up from there, we have this low making by this one, there is nothing there. This level high is reacting to this level. We have two you have two actually supply zones inside of together here. The lowest scale is this one, and this one is inside of this one. So this level hold price or not? Yes, this hold price in that. So the high of that is here, and for going line from here, I have to put my hours on top of that. When this one single, if something's created here, we can go line with price. Okay, this is euro, Great Britain pound. I put my alerts in near of price here, and gold price, and need to engulf this level. So this is the most important chart for us, euro, pounds and gold price. And let's go to USD CHF chart and see what happened here. Okay, in USD CHF, it's the lowest scale, in highest scale. You can see actually in highest scale in weekly time frame. In monthly time frame, you can see price is going down and stuck in here. So we have alert in euro USD. Let's go and find some what happened here. So in euro USD, you can see after price is going up, engulf something's important here. We have some reacting here, don't reach to true level, after going up from there, no back to there, nothing is existed here, but this one is here, and this is the last space long orders execute. So I think some long orders can be executed here with stop loss is lower than this level, and our target is this going to there is up. Actual target is here, and this not gonna be too great risk to reward for us, so this not gonna be too great trade, and I'm waiting for making another opportunities. So when another opportunities happened, when it's back to some things in here, or maybe going back to there, or maybe going to these levels here, and then wants to go up. So actually I'm waiting for price back to here and engulf things, some things here again. Not sure about that. In 15 minutes we can see here some levels, some important levels. You can see some things worked as great areas. This is the last of them, and makes that low. So for making sure about going on to the highest level, we have to waiting for these levels engulfed, but let's see what happened here. If price goes down when engulfed that and then goes back, we can pretty sure talk about that. So for now, let's go USD CHF and be back to your USD in future. So in USD CHF, you can see price is going down, stuck here, and this demand is important here, makes hold price, makes that low, and for now is reached to the origin of that move. Price is going to there, so this origin is cleared, and price going back to making some FO, but you can see any FOs here is actually any demand zone is works, and there is nothing stay to untouched here. So in higher scale we can see this dumping here. This low is engulfed actually, and don't reach to this level. This one is going to inside of that. This make one of them is going to be there, then goes down. So for now I can be thinking about, actually I can thinking about when this one is worked, where price wants to go. So this level is worked, some things here is makes that low, this level is engulfed, so we can this actually engulf of this level tell us for sometimes price one don't want to make another low, and for sometimes wants to go have uptrend. Actually in here this swap of that is created here, and we can finding some long opportunities maybe after this level is go up engulfed, making this one work. The price goes up, don't reach to there. After this level is created, don't reach to there, goes up, makes that high. This level is worked, so this swap of some things here is so important. So in here the last law is this one actually, and make by some things here. Swap of anything here is not inside of in there, and we have to waiting for price to reach here, and then if we have some reacting inside of that, because we can't find some things here, because of that, and some things another is the base of that chart, so you can see some things. No, in USCHF this is it's bad chart actually, not move great, but any chart is created by supply and demands, and we have to able to read that. Alright, for now I'm waiting for price to reach here and see what happened next. If we have some reacting, making sure for price wants to go up, we're going to up with price. Okay, let's back to Euro USD. Let's see what happened. Price is Euro USD is making this one inside of that. Absolutely is considered as engulf, and when price is making FO, so I put my alert here actually. I put my alert here. When price is going back to there, I see what supply zones makes this one, and then finding some places as fractals. So I'm waiting for price to reach here for going long. In Great Britain Pound, what happened? In Great Britain Pound, my alert, price is reached to that level, touch that and goes down. So it's worked as a supply level, and back to here. Something is here is executed. This origin is here, price never back to that, but I'm waiting for C engulf of this level, and then trying to go long and find something like USD. Actually price reached to that, and then a structure this happened in lowest escape, and at the end maybe we can go some trades. In gold price I put this one here, this gonna be 2 goes up, and the swap of his swap is created here, and so when this one is engulf, if we can consider it as engulf, if we accept the price that engulf is complete, where we are going to go long, where we able going to long. So this swap of something here, this is works, this is in here, and this swap is created here, but back to nowhere. Actually hold price, you can see here, you can see here 1, 2, 3, not good thing for showing you. You can see here this high is here, go back to here, then goes up to here, then back to here. So this gonna be converted as flag limit. We can read this one in price action, but the law is not good to level, I think. So actually, if I consider this one is engulf, I'm waiting where for going line with important. With actually more odds for going long. This swap is created here. This swap is created here. We have same lows in here. This I'm waiting for price go to there. I tell you, I'm waiting for price to reach here for going long. Actually not going long, see reaction of price and then going long. So it's gonna be to make back to low. This is here, reach to that level, reach to nowhere, engulf anything here and waiting for back to there. Great spread and pawn not engulfed this level here and waiting for see some happened. You stick the gold's price. Actually I told you about that in USD I'm waiting for price to reach here. So if I'm waiting for price to reach here, I can going short to price reach to there. Where is that? I talk about where price is reach. No, I talk about this one. Yeah, price don't reach to this level, but actually where price reach to, price is actually reach to top of here. So maybe it can be considered as true FO, you know, this swap of something makes the highest swap of this one actually. I draw this one, this is important, and I waiting for price to reach to the higher level here. So I draw this one and we can, this is swap of this level makes that low, it's important, worked. And in the future price is reached to top of that level. So if we want to go short with price as this reacting here, we must to analyze here at this high. So this is the last high made by this low is inside of that, so we can draw two lines here. One of them is this one is making as little scale here, and this going to be inside of that. So these two scales of demand zone making price high is here. One of them is that, and second of that is here, not engulfed yet. So swap of this one when created, when this one is engulfed too, we must to analyze some things exist here, some FL is created here, and finding something inside that for going short. So I put my alert here and waiting for engulf this level. If nothing of price goes up, so this is the option, and we must finding some buying opportunities. But for now, I'm waiting for engulf this one, and maybe can going short to reach here actually, or here's actually, but there is good space in lowest scale, and with more odds it give us good risk to reward trade. Okay, this is here. Euro USD is going back to reach the sub of actually this one is here. Maybe it's gonna be worked as a good area, but we can't absolutely sure about the thing because there is nowhere here. But if goes up and down back to there, we have to waiting engulf higher scale things for sure about that is good effort. For now, I can't sure about that. Okay, and pound. And pound, I'm waiting for engulf this one to going long, and not yet, it's going back to nowhere. Gold price engulf this one too. So this swap is created here, and this swap is created here, orders executed. I put my alerts to here and waiting for see what supply zones reach price to here, and then see what happened. I just put alert to just look at it, not any reacting, not any trades and anymore. So in USD CHF, I'm waiting for engulf that for going long, and go to USD JPY, see what happened. This is very near to markets. London market opens, and we can accept prices to making more movements. So look USD JPY and see what happened through that. Euro USD is going to be alerted, and let's see what happened. Okay, I'm waiting for Euro USD reach to this level. I'm waiting and going to be long here, but the stop losses is going to be large, and we're waiting for C reactions because maybe price wants to reach to here. So look at if price going to be there. Okay, if price going to be there or something's here, the swap of price, the swap of things make actually makes that high is this one hold price. So waiting for engulf this one. I put my alert here. You know why? Because this FL here holds price going down. Some things here ever reached that for sure about price is going back to up. Maybe from there. So for actually more support and more sure about that and see completely levels worked. I put my alert top of this one. Yes. Actually pop of this one because this level hold price makes that low. When price reach to here, what I can't get this, okay? When price reach to here, my mouse is jumping. Yes, I don't know why. Please. Okay. When price reach to here, engulf that. We can find some smaller dimension with more risk to reward for going lying. So that's it. Actually, I'm sorry about any TradingView viewers, and because this video can't be published on TradingView and I have to record it in my own videos, so that's it. Okay, this euro pound, what happened to pound? I'm waiting for price engulf this one and going back to long. The gold prices go up, don't back to where I think about that. But I have to waiting, not can to be going trade because we are in 1 minute and nothing happened. For now, waiting for price reach to this level. Okay, and here we want to engulf this one for going short. And let's see USD/JPY chart. So USD/JPY chart in larger scale, you can see going up, making all-time high, and this level don't back to there and existed here, but don't back to here, just reacting to this level here and then makes that high. Don't hold price and makes that high. This inner is existed here, price is reached to the lower of that. It can considered as FO because this one is don't go to the middle of that, and for now we have see that reacting here, engulf that level makes that low, so engulf that levels makes that low, then don't reach to this level. I think I draw this one as DP as this level and don't reach to that now. So this low is here created by some things. I draw that here, this one and this one and the wall of that. So swap of anything is created this one, and we have to find something inside of that for interested areas long if this low is going to reach the true level. If not, price is going to be something else, then goes up. So this mouse is going to reach to that level or engulf that. This is the same low and it's confirmed as fake level, so this one is important for us. For reach price to reach to here, then goes up. I draw two levels here, you can see that. So what is that? Two levels. Let's go to 15 minutes. minutes. These levels makes that high, so this one and this one inside of that. I draw this one. I'm waiting for engulfed these two levels for going short to reach here. And yes, okay. Okay, this is the last high. This level here is exhibited. You can see that with obvious flag limit here. Old price makes that high, making swap here, and this swap is created here. Okay, so going to lowest time frame. This high is created by this one. There is no swap. This is not gonna be too big to reach to true levels, so I have to consider this. I have to consider this as interest area for short. So, and swap of little efforts makes that high inside of that. After the wall of that is engulfed, never back to here. So I think can put my alert here, and when price reach to that, going to wait price and finding, after seeing some reactions, finding some short opportunities. Okay, let's look at it. This one is don't back to there, but reach to here, and we have no shadows candle here. You can see maybe this one is worked, or this one is worked, and this is an interested area, not this, that this is good area for, if this is good area for sure. If the price is going to there, we can short here actually. So I put my alert to the nearest area here. When price reach to here, I continue holding price and see what happened with price. So I put my alert here. Let's see euro, what happened to euro. Euro is going down. I told you this reach to the gap. This is a great area. Yeah, this is good alerts for long opportunities if engulf that happen. In great breaking point, this low is don't reach to the level. For now, I think actually obvious true level not existed here. I'm waiting for this one is engulf for long. Gold price. I put my alerts here. These ours goes up, but not back to the swap of this level here. So I'm waiting for reach to this one and see what happened. I use the CHF. In here we are. I put my alerts and lower of this level for going short when this one is engulfed. So for now he's reached that level and making some reactions. I can trade these ones, and because of only risk to reward, you know that. I'm waiting for a good trade. It's a great trade. In here I'm waiting for price reach to that level for going short, and let's see Aussie price, and I know I can't put any alert. Make sure about that. Yeah, so I have to continue reading this one and monitor that. So in Aussie USD we can see this low is created here, and actually this one is reached to somewhere, so it can be considered as FO, and price is going to up there. This is worked. Let's see it 1 second in the FXCM. I'm not sure about that. I don't remember what happened here in FXCM, if you can see that. So yeah, this is gonna be too good FOI. That's good, a great area. This is gonna be to reach nowhere. So you can consider here with this low our engulfed is RFO is complete, and price wants to go up. So for actually, don't forget again, I want to draw some things here, and okay, so let's see what happened after price reach to this level, going up, clear origin of that makes that low here, then back to the somewhere here, back to the inner of that here, not origin of that. So it's a good thing, it's a good sign for us that actually FO is complete. The great pond had making alerts. Let's see what happened with that. Okay, price is going up there, engulf that. So this is gonna be too engulfed. Back to here, take that one. So this low is don't reach to this level. I can't accept this low as through FO. So I'm waiting for price reach to actually, maybe this one is worked, and maybe it's worked, so I can't get that, but I'm waiting for price to reach here because I can't accept this low as true FO, actually, because this we have two the same lows here. Actually the second low I think is lower than the low is 86, and this is the same low is created here, and I put my alert after engulf this one. created here, and swap of that is here. I don't think this swap is going to true level. So back to Aussie charts and continue analyzing that. We are in daily time frames, so we are in Aussie. Yeah, this one is work, this is work. So after price reach to here goes up, this ORFL is created here, making that high. This one is don't reach to anywhere. Actually, after price is going out from there, don't reach to true level. This is a great supply zones here executed and stay be cleaned. So this FO, this is a great FO here, is want to actually for all-time high. So if that is a great FO for us, we have to going up for many years in highest scale, and it's not important for our trade in lower scales. So for now we can see here the haunting is happened here because we have some highs here. There's many actually sellers existed here with the stopless top of that, any price actions workers or any actually retail traders, other retail traders. So I think we have to find some places for making sure about that where price wants to go. So we have to find our interested areas. Where is going to this level reach? This level reach to middle of two ones here. Let's reach to that level here. It's gonna be considered as FO, but yeah, it can be considered as FO. So I can't actually see here in lower time frames, and if we can accept it as true FO, we have some we have this origin here. When price goes up, this levels makes that low, so up of that is here, and this origin stay untouched here. This inner is worked, and you can consider it at last FO and engulf the true FO and engulf for us. So this I draw the last flag limit here. Actually, in this one we are in 4 hour, and this is gonna be 2. First, let's say 4 to 5 scale limit, so it's gonna be to 4th scale, and we have to find something in there. I find before that this one, but maybe something say under that. So let's see here. This is the last low is created by this high. Some levels here. Absolutely, this is gonna be to that true flag limit here. But the mouth of that is worked, and actually inside of that you can see maybe orders is moved up. Let's look at inside of that. I'm sure about some things. Actually I lost. Okay, in here we talk about here in the last low. If we have some things here, I can see in time frame. So for now, actually we have these ones here, nothing more. Excuse me, my phone is ringing. EURUSD is alert 2 again, and let's go back to EURUSD. Let's see what happened here. Please. Okay. Okay, what happened? In 1 minute. So that's great. Reacting to this level. Actually, this one is worked. So after we can see this here, and this one is created here. So price is moving up, reach to these levels, engulf anything here, and I can't find anything here for excuse me, I can't find anything here for going long for now, and we just see it and miss that opportunity. So it's that opportunity here. If we want to get that, is started from here, and stop loss must be here. So and the target is here, the first target, so it's gonna be to 1 2 3, and this is a good opportunity. So we don't get that, and I'm waiting for price back to here again actually, and make some things, because I can't see anything makes that low. I want to see something here make this level and then swap of that, and blah 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 in lowest case. So I'm waiting for this level is reached to the lowest. The low is the second low. Yeah, the second low is the lowest. But sure about that. The low is 18850, and the low is the same low is created here. The same low is bad. Swap of that is engulfed. Where wants to back absolutely inside of this level, and so I have to waiting price back to this level, and when back to this level I looking for another opportunity. So let's back to, let's see another charts and go to reach that level. So this one is worked, this level is reached to here. What is that place here, and then goes up. I put my alert in that level yet, because actually this one is worked. I put my alert in lower of that. I put here and see if reacting inside of that maybe wants to go up from here. Look at here, when that's created, this high is going to engulf anything here, and now it's gonna be to back in. We can see here I waiting for price to reach this level. So if well, let's go on. Okay, USDCH of my alert is here. Price is reached to that level, and this is not good area absolutely. USDJPY, I'm waiting for price to reach here for sure. I We are in Aussie price, and let's move on. So in IDUSD, you can see here, let's back to what happened. So we reach to here, we accept it as FO, and then price goes up. So we are we are in here. This one's is worked, goes up. I find something here as the last places. So I'm going to lower time frame and look at here's 15 minutes actually, I think. Okay, and okay. So we have see this FO here. This is the last high here, confirmed by this one, and swap of something is created here. So we can see this little over here makes that high, swap of that is here, and the swap of that is going there. Maybe it's good area, or maybe not, and price wants to go to here, maybe here too. So I draw these levels, and actually long orders executed here, and they must be noticed. So this one and this one, I draw these levels. So actually inside of this one, this place makes that low, so up of that is here. I have to draw this one, not the topper of that. This is swap of that one. Yes, price is touched that, but not touch here. And what's gonna be talk about? I talk about this one. So let's see inside of that and then go to forward. And this is the last flag limit here. So this one is off of that. Hold price once, and if I can't ignore this level here as the last place long orders executed, and the swap of something makes that low. So this is important. I found two interest area, and this one is existed here too. And we know price never reached to any of that. Okay. Let's see in higher scale. I have some things here for making price too high. There is some demand zones here, makes actually orders, long orders executed in there, and for now price is going down from this level. We see that this one is no, don't this one. this level. What talk about? Yeah, this one is FO, so price wants to go up. This is worked. This one is worked. This one is origin is clean, and this is good area. This is the last FO here inside middle of that. After price goes out from here, you know, this one after price reach to here, go up to there, then goes down, then reach to here. After price reach to here, make some things here, goes up. After actually this one is confirmed, price reach to here. This high is gold price wants to go back inside of that, so it's going to be true or not, we don't know, and we accept this green area as last. Confirmed. Actually, flag limit for going long another after price reach to true level inside of that. Where is inside of that? At least I think wants to be go there, but for now it's stuck in that one. That one is the something's here, but I don't think this is gonna be the true level, and I think about that as interested area, so I don't have any alert actually, and waiting for price reach to here. So, and after reach to here, if we can find some things makes that low, and waiting for swap of this one to reach to higher scales. Let's review all charts and see what happened. So in 1 minute, absolutely, it's gonna be two making some things here. Here waiting for waiting for actually making price to reach here at least, don't break to that one. Okay, increase breaking point, price is moving up, and don't back to there. I'm waiting for here and put my alerts some higher than, because price is going up, and for now don't back to here yet. And gold price is now back to here, and I don't think this one is gonna reach the true levels. Actually, at least I accept price to going back to lower of these levels. Why? Because this is the last flag limit make by swap of this one. If we consider we have missed data here, and actually this is gonna be worked. Yeah, I'm waiting for price going lower of that. It's gonna be too important for us, for me, to reach level in USDC in 1 minute. I'm waiting for price reach that, don't reach yet. DPY, and nowhere I use these reaching to what happened in AZ. I'm talking about AZ now. and waiting for what? I have interested area in here. I talk about this one. So I'm waiting for price reach to that level, and I don't have any alerts remained in my basic account. So go to USD CAD. Let's see what happened in this chart. USD CAD is going up. Let's see in daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. You can see this one is engulfed or FO. Let's see in FXCM chart first. So in FXCM we don't have anything here. It's all-time low in that chart too. Okay. In this one we can see these two engulfs is absolutely confirmed here as engulfed, not FO. So back to this one and don't back to true level. I accept price to go back to this level at least, or at actually highest time frame. So because of that, this level is created here, and because of this low is going to lower of that, and there's something somewhere here. This two lows is engulfed and then goes up. This made by some things here. So above that is here, and we have this level here. This is a great area for us. Swap of some things here makes that lowest scale. This one is here, no swap of anything, don't back to true level. So, and the last place long orders executed in this chart is inside of that. There is nothing visible in this daily time frame in that, so I draw it and going to lower time frame. This is going to be and okay, this is gonna be to here. Worked here goes up. This one is worked 2 goes up. Okay. This one is created here. This is the origin of that. Swap of that. Swap of that is here. This worked jump price 2 up in here. This is gonna be to make that, and makes that one. This one makes that one. Swap of that is here. And never price back to here. So we can see this level as the last level makes that low, because hold once inside of that here, and swap of that is nothing, and the DP of that's movement is here. So we have two interested area. One of them is in, second of them is here. So in that chart we are in uptrend and we are now in the last place. Short orders executed here and hold price sometime, so it's important to engulf that, and maybe we can going to short actually when price reach to true level here. Let's see here what I talk about. Here's this one is important area for me. So if I going to think that one, I'm waiting for price to reach here and maybe going to short if that's possible, and if short structure is made by price actions. So this one is my interest area for short, and these two of my interest area for long. Let's go to lower time frame or not. No, until price don't reach to here, actually long orders can be executed here, but for now, because reach to here's price actually even near that levels, there is no long available, and I think for see what happened next. So going to New Zealand dollar, and in New Zealand dollar we can see this high is reached to that level here. This importance levels existed here. Price is jumping down. This gonna be worked. This works too sometimes. So in that movement, this is interested area here. I accept this level to making high price again. And the swap of that is the little here, so I'm waiting for making some reactions here and then decide to what happened in NZD-USD. Okay, back to Euro USD. My interested chart actually the three top of them, and I mostly see of them. We can see this level engulfed, so this is a good sign for going long here after this level is worked and price is going up. So waiting for price back to here and see what happened. Good luck for anyone going long from here, and I had some profits yet. Okay, this is the USD pound is going up to a, yes, it's gonna be to go up. Gold's price is here, so we have my alerts, and if any alerts is ringing or these charts have no alerts, go to reach somewhere as tradable areas. I going to told you about that. My alerted chart is this one's USDJPY, USDCHF, gold price, and other things. Okay. One alert is executed, USDCHF, and let's see what happened. In USDCHF, we waiting for engulf these ones and finding somewhere to go in short. So this one is engulfed, these places, this is ask type, make by these levels, make that one, and let's sure about some things. I think in this chart, after these levels is created, this one is going to be there. As any trade is executed here, stop loss must be up. This highs in here actually, and so this gonna be confirmed as area up makes that high, where high is greatest, this first high created here, the swap of this created here, swap of this created this one. I think price wants to reach to this level and then goes down, so I put my alert here. I don't put any order for now, and I look this one. So let's see that we can see your USD going up, reach 2 here, engulf that or not. Yes, absolutely, this one is engulf. Let's touch the last places here. I'm waiting for price reach here, and then goes long in Great Britain pound. Great Britain pound, price is going up, reach to the somewhere here, and I'm waiting for here. That's a good area, not for long actually. I accept lower that. For long, gold price goes up, making highs again. Inside of that, it's gonna be too good level and make it high. In gold price, this type of going up not considered for me as great FO. So this level makes by that one, swap of that is here. Actually, if I want my true and my actually most odds I gave to my thing is price is going to be here and then goes up. But the swap of that is created here and worked here, so can't accept this one, but absolutely you can see here after price is going up there, never back to this. So I put my alert here. I'm waiting for price back to this level, not here's. Yes, CHF is engulfs through level. I'm waiting for back to here, and that's it. Waiting for another alert is executed, and I continue my analyze. This one is engulfed. Actually, maybe no, because if I put my long orders here, a stop loss must be very low, and I don't go with that. I'm waiting. No alerts executed, but let's look at charts and review what happened. So this one is going to there. It's considered as FO. This is gonna be to nowhere. So Actually, I put my alert here because when price goes to there, I was to looking at it. Okay, great rating pound. It's going up there. That's good area for reach price to that. Let's check high of that actually. We have to see in 5 minutes. This one is going to top of all of it, and that's a good engulf, I think about that. So it's a good work. The gold price reached to some spaces here. So in gold price, and that's it. Something existed here. I waiting for price to going there. My alert is good area. In USD we have another engulf here, and so what happened here? This gonna be to reach there. This gonna be to reach here. Actually, I put this one, but price is going down, and let's see what happened. Don't move our alert, and waiting for see what happened in the next. In here too, my chart with no alert. Here is this last three of us. There, I'm waiting for here. I don't remind what happened and what I accept from price. What happened? Okay. So I'm waiting for going long actually. Okay, for now nothing happened, and this one waiting for it to here for going short, and in New Zealand dollar we have waiting for price reach to where. Alright, nothing happened, and I'm waiting for price reach 2 here, and the top 3 charts are had a good structure for going long in here actually, but we have noticed 2 where price wants to go. The gold actually going up, but the gold price I think wants to go down. So I'm waiting for price to reach the last place and then decide what happened. Euro USD actually this gonna be too long to reach where I accept this one as okay, maybe price wants to go to somewhere because of this things they remain here. I'm thinking about long, and this is the last opportunity for long here, and nothing happened after this one for going to trade. Okay, waiting for actually my alerts ringing and decide to what happened in chart. Okay, and yeah, this one is not accept for me. This one is going to swap off this level but no back to true level, and then making high. The mouth of this one is worked, and actually some things here may be worked in later and don't back to there, but I can't rate that because this is fake level and maybe not worked. So for now I'm waiting